Hi friends, it's Mrs. McCarver and it's time for today's math lesson. I'm going to be switching to my camera, and while I do that, I want you to find all the cubes that you have at home so we can use them in our lesson. Okay friends, I'm going to be putting some cubes under the camera. This is my first set. I am going to show you two more sets. The yellow cubes and the purple cubes. Your job is to look at these cubes and decide which group has more than my white cubes. How would you figure this out? I want you to look at the white cubes and decide which group has more than the white cubes, the yellow or the purple. How can we figure this out, friends? Do you remember any of the strategies we've learned earlier this week? Oh, that's right. We learned that we could stack, we could match, and we could count. Let's see. These yellow ones are already stacked here like this. I'm going to stack the white cubes. And let's count them. Can you point and count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I want to know which group has more than 6. Let me stack those yellow ones together. Let's count. 1, 2. Let me stack these purple ones. Oh my gosh, there's just so many. Are you already getting an idea of which group has more than the white cubes? Let's count the purple cubes now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I might have miscounted. Can we try that again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, does stacking or counting help you figure out which of these two groups has more than the white group? Put your finger on it right now. Yeah, wow. Look at that. That purple group had 10. I know that number is bigger than 2 or 6, and it goes much taller when I stacked them. So we could say the purple group has more than the white group. Let's look at another picture together. Okay, friends, here are our vocabulary words again: more, greater, less, fewer, and the same. We just were able to figure out a stack of cubes that had more or a greater number. Now I want you to look at my red dots up there. I want you to decide which group has less or fewer objects in it. Is it the green triangles or the black rectangles? Here is the group we're looking at, the red circles. Which group has less or fewer shapes? Can you point to it with your finger? Ah, that's right. Look at, there's only one triangle and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangles. We couldn't move these to match them or to stack them, so we had to think about how many. Here are 3. I see 3. 1 is less than 3. Let's look at one more set. Here we have our red circles, and we have the green triangles and the black rectangles. Which group is the same as the green triangles? Can you tell? What strategy are we going to use? We can count. 1, 2, 3 green triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 black rectangles. 1, 2, 3 red circles. Take your finger and point to the group that has the same amount as the green triangles. I bet you're pointing up here. I counted to 3 for the triangles, and I counted to 3 for the circles.